If you've ever exported an FBX from Blender and opened it in your game engine only to see a tiny model, a missing mesh, or a broken animation, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common Blender FBX export errors and how to fix them fast, so your models and rigs come into Unreal, Unity, or any other engine the way they're supposed to. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more Blender tips, and let's fix these export issues right now. Let's start with the first problem, the tiny scale error. This is one of the most common issues Blender users run into. Your model looks completely normal inside Blender, but after export, it appears incredibly small or even invisible in your game engine. The reason this happens is usually scale mismatch between Blender and the target software. The quickest fix is to apply your transforms before exporting. To do that, go into object mode and select your model. If you're working with a character, prop, or environment piece, make sure you select the actual object you want to export. Then press Ctrl+A on your keyboard and choose all transforms. This applies the current location, rotation, and scale so Blender stores those values properly before export. Once that's done, go to File, then Export, and choose FBX. In the FBX export window, look for the Apply Scalings option, set it to FBX All. That setting helps Blender export the scale in a way that game engines can read more reliably. If your model was previously coming in tiny, this one change often fixes the problem immediately. So the key idea here is simple. Apply transforms first, then export with the correct scaling setting. Now let's move on to the second issue, the error that says, could not find any mesh. This usually means Blender doesn't know what you want to export, or the object you're trying to send out is not properly selected. Sometimes the mesh is hidden, sometimes the wrong object is active, and sometimes the export settings are just too broad or too narrow. The fix is very straightforward. When you open the export window, make sure you check the box for selected objects. This tells Blender to export only the objects you currently have chosen in the viewport. Before you click export, go back into the viewport and make sure your model is actually selected. If it's not highlighted, Blender may ignore it entirely. This is especially important when you have multiple objects in the scene because you may accidentally export empty objects, cameras, lights, or nothing at all. So if you see the could not find any mesh message, first verify your selection, then make sure selected objects is enabled in the FBX export settings. That one checkbox solves a lot of confusion for beginners and even experienced Blender users when they're moving assets into engines. Next up is the broken animation error, and this one can be really frustrating. You export your character, then in the engine the bones are twisted, extra bones appear, or the animation looks like a spaghetti mess. If that sounds familiar, the problem is often caused by Blender adding unnecessary leaf bones during export. To fix this, go back to the FBX export settings and find the Armature tab. Inside that tab, look for Add Leaf Bones and uncheck it. Leaf bones are extra end bones Blender can add to the armature chain, but many game engines do not need them. In fact, they can interfere with your rig and make the animation behave incorrectly after import. By turning off Add Leaf Bones, you keep the rig cleaner and much more compatible with game engines. This is one of those settings that can save you hours of troubleshooting later, especially if you're exporting characters, skeletal meshes, or animated props. If your animations are breaking on import, this should absolutely be one of the first settings you check. So let's quickly recap the 3 fixes. For the tiny scale problem, select your object in object mode, press Ctrl+A, choose all transforms, and set Apply Scalings to FBX All. For the could not find any mesh problem, make sure your model is selected and enable selected objects in the export window. And for broken animations, go into the Armature tab and uncheck Add Leaf Bones. If you follow those steps, you'll solve 3 of the biggest Blender FBX export problems most people run into. These settings are small, but they make a huge difference when you're moving assets into a game engine. And once you get used to checking them every time, your export workflow gets much faster and much more reliable. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Blender tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more export fixes, rigging tips, or troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.